In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a contact form in Wix. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to make the most of this feature. Let's get started with accessing your Wix account. It's always a good idea to have everything prepared, so make sure you're logged into your Wix account before we begin. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Sites section of your account. Here you will see a list of all your current sites. Click on Select and Edit Site for the website where you want to add your new contact form. This will open the site editor, which is where all the customization magic happens. Within the site editor, look for the option that says Design Site and click on it. This will allow you to make aesthetic changes, but most importantly, it sets the stage for adding functional elements, like contact forms. Now, to insert a contact form, you need to click on Add or Add Elements. This is typically represented by a plus sign in the left panel of the editor. Once you click it, a menu will appear with various elements and widgets you can add to your site. Next, navigate to Contact and Forms. This section offers a range of pre-designed templates, but for now, let's focus on creating something unique. You'll want to click on Create New Form. This option gives you the flexibility to design a contact form from scratch, ensuring it meets your business's specific needs. If you are feeling ambitious and want to tailor every aspect of your form, choose Start from Scratch. When creating your own form, you can add and arrange elements according to your preferences. Consider what information you'd like to gather from visitors. Standard options include name, email, and message fields, but you can get creative. Maybe you need options for service inquiries, dates for scheduling, or even payment options. You can also implement different field types such as contacts, general fields, choice options, as well as buttons and layout elements to guide user interaction. Spend some time thinking about the user experience as well. Make sure the form is easy to navigate and visually appealing while reflecting your brand style. After you've customized your form to perfection, take a moment to test it. Preview the website to ensure everything looks good and functions as expected. This step is crucial since you want to make sure prospective clients can easily reach you without any technical hitches. Once you're satisfied with how the form looks and works, simply save your changes and publish your site. There you have it, a fully customized contact form on your Wix site that is ready to capture leads and help grow your business. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. See you next time.